want to sit down.
No way.
It's like I will have to shut it down first.
Please, silence.
I have to shut it down, then restart the whole system.
Well, I want to video it.
Okay. I don't buy.
Wait.
I have new necklace now.
Where I go?
Yeah. So I don't know. Should I shut down and start? No,
just
process.
tell us
Okay.
Just
So-
give us the procedure.
Okay.
You're blocking me.
Try to see where I get the parameters from.
So I'm starting from here. From here, this is our breakers coming from the solar panel. So with this, you can you can shut down the powers coming from the PV, so that the charge controller won't receive power again. So this is it. If we shut down this, off these things now, this is our charge controller. They are on. If I shut down these breakers, you will see an error. Meaning that the error 20 means that there is no PV loss. Let's see. See error 20 they appeared. So meaning there is no power coming from the solar panels again. Let me put them on. So from here, this is our changeover. This is a 3-phase equipment. This is a 3-phase system. So here now, our grid is on, the generator is on, and our inverters are on. They are giving out 3-phase complete. So from the screen you will see this is the generator sign. Generator is there and it's giving out and it's charging the battery at the same time. Go there, you will see that is a P3. You see P3 meaning that is the third phase. You see P2 here, that is the second phase. You see P1 here, that is the first phase. So this is a 3-phase equipment. So here you will get these voltage regulators. I don't want to receiving from the generator. This is 241, 240, 241, 241 coming from the generator. 3-phase coming from the generator. So this one here is our output breaker coming from the inverter. This is our output breaker. So what else? I think if you go to this way, if you come down here, this is our box bar. This is our box bar housing all the DC,
Combination.
Yes. This is where it is. From the battery, from the output of the charge controller to charge the battery. Everything is here inside this box bar. So there is no other thing to explain. On and off, I've told you it's on and off. You on here, you off here. You on here, you off here. You on here, you off. So this is it.
In a situation whereby you want to turn down the inverter,
Okay.
what will you do first?
If you want to shut down the inverter,
Yes.
if you want to shut down the inverter, you consider what maybe, let's say, if it's you want to shut down the inverter, you just come up, shut down the inverter. There's nothing else. There's no other sacrifice.
Again, situation where you want to shut down the battery, what step will you take first?
If you want to shut down the battery,
Yes.
if you want to shut down the battery, first of all, this inverter should be on. If you want to shut down the battery,
Okay.
and this shouldn't be supplying. These
Okay.
PV breakers.
So you turn the
They
PV
should
breaker
go
off.
This inverter shouldn't be on,
Okay.
and these PV breakers,
The PV breaker should be off.
they should be off. They
The
shouldn't
AC
be on.
input breaker should be off too.
In fact, you should shut down all the breakers under the inverters just for safety.
Okay.
Shut them down. Shut this one down. If this is going off, shut this one down first to secure this.
Okay.
The order of connection of this says, order of disconnection for this charge controller says disconnect PV first. Order of
For disconnecting
disconnection.
battery.
PV first for battery. Order of connection, battery first before PV. So if you want to shut down this one, start from PV. Shut it down, then off battery.
Then to shut the inverter completely down,
To shut the battery completely
remove
down,
AC first.
remove AC first.
AC input first.
From the under
Yes,
breaker now.
yes. Just shut them. because then they will go down.
Shut it down first before you power
Direct
them.
See the breaker. See, yeah, this is it now. Just look at the
The
screen.
first on the left
The first
is the input.
from the left. If I was there because
second
these three inverters
is
are on
the
parallel.
output.
They are on parallel. So this is if you are offing them, you off them sequentially. They are off.
The parallel connection.
Yeah, they are on parallel connection, giving out 3 phase.
So if you want to on them on.
It's still
Sequentially.
yeah, still on them.
Okay.
Now, a situation whereby the old inverter,
Yes.
which is a 3-phase inverter, the gen is off and there is no solar lights, maybe during night. How long can this battery sustain the old inverter that is supplying to the landscape?
With the initial calculation, of the load that we did,
Minimum of 12.
the initial calculation, the load we took when all the loads were on. The initial calculation, a minimum of it's a minimum
12.
maximum 12 hours.
Minimum 12
12
hours.
hours minimum.
But you get up to 14 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, so how many, in terms of the load consumption on that inverter, how many do you think that inverter is collecting on this battery?
No,
As at when we checked on their full load,
that particular inverter doesn't. When we checked it was
it was
how
a
many
total
watts?
of 2,250 watts,
250
approximately 3,000 watts.
let's say approximately 3,000 watts. That's what that system that is taken from is.
The system and the equipment is powering.
Yes.
Both the system, both the inverter
Yes.
and the system is
And
powering.
landscape,
It's taking,
yes.
by your calculation,
Yes.
it's consuming 2,250
Yes.
watts.
Yes.
And you did your calculation
With 3,000.
for 3,000
Yes.
to take us up to 12
12
hours duration
Yes.
of sustainability
Yes, yeah.
without
Yes, without
sun or
without
generator
Yes.
on a fully charged battery.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So can we say that it is a good job
Yeah.
carried out
Yes,
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 sir.
of course.
and the system is actually running on the inverter and the planscape is
Yes.
actually running
Without it,
on
Yeah.
the
Maximum
on
efficiency.
on your- this system now.
Yes.
Initial inverter is on.
All right. Thank you very much.
So, sir, what do you have to say, sir?
Please, this indication now,
Mhm.
this red that come up now, showing that
The batteries are fully charged. already.
Fully charged.
that's why that red that
Yes,
come
that's
up.
why-
And
that's
just
why
see
I
just it just come up
Yes.
now.
it
Batteries
comes
are
up and
fully
it will
charged.
still go.
And it still go up.
It still go
On
up.
its own, it will still go
Yeah.
up.
Yes.
From there, why it came up, the grid generator is charging.
It's charging.
Charging the battery.
Okay.
Now, the charge controller is charging. Now the voltage coming from the solar panel and the one coming from the grid, they are moving to the battery.
Okay.
Now the battery has exceeded, the battery wants to exceed the voltage that it should be.
Yes.
Now this one will sense it
Okay.
and go back to error 4, meaning
Error
battery
4.
voltage is getting high. So this is what it just did. It just stepped down.
It will just step it down.
Yeah, for this one to continue. So and in less than no time, it will see it will come back.
Come back on
Yes,
its own.
yeah.
Okay.
It will still show up
Then,
when the sun is about going down in the evening time,
Okay.
like by
Then-
5:36.
then let's say we are on inverter with solar. The charging from morning till afternoon, how many hours you think this battery can get from the sun to be fully charged?
If the
How many
panel
hours
is
of
the
charge?
panel is generating what it should, like what we
Depending
saw
on the
what we
density
saw
of
in
the
the
sun.
afternoon,
Yes.
what we saw around that was it around 12, around 1
That
or
was
so.
even from 10:30.
What we saw then was each one bank was giving us one sim was giving us 4,200 kilowatts, 4.2 kilowatts. That's what one was giving us. So with what I saw then, just give these batteries 3 hours. Give them 3, they'll be fully charged.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this lithium battery draws more current more than these other small batteries like gel battery. So it draws more from the charge controller. See, the thing has cleared. Tired of fast lane.
It's coming and coming.
Okay,
it's come and
so currently now, on a normal operation, when we have generator,
Yes.
the system is actually being powered by the generator through the inverters.
Yes, sir.
Then, when the generator goes off, the inverter automatically takes over
Yes, sir.
and sustains
The
This,
landscape.
the landscape
yes.
up to 12 hours
Yes, 12 hours.
of charge minimum. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.